I also wanted to touch base on creating a Facebook page because I think it's one of the more difficult features to find on Facebook, and it's not really that difficult. But for most people, if you're casually looking on how to start a page on there, you're not going to necessarily find it. So I'm here at our website, our Facebook page, the tlnt.com Facebook page. And I'm only showing you this not just for the promotional value, but also for the fact that if you go to the bottom of this in the left hand corner, you'll see the create a page for my business button. And that is literally the easiest way I've remembered to start a page if you want to is to go to that page there. So what you want to do is you want to create an official page, and I would probably do a brand. So if you've got a business, whatever, that sort of thing. Local business is really you can use that obviously, but really that's made for people that are doing consumer you know goods in one area. So if you're selling something, if you're a retailer, if you're a service business and you service, let's say just Portland, Oregon, a local business might be the best thing for you. But for a lot of bigger companies that have multiple locations, the brand, product, or organization is the best one for you. So I'm just going to do, since we're just making stuff up here, is I'm just going to do um, this thing basically, uh, what we've been talking about, which is cool HR people, and just basically name it coolhrpeople.com. Just to give it a kind of an official name. You just want to put the name of your business, or maybe the name of your business careers. So like if you're Nike, then Nike careers or whatever. Or you could decide, the other thing you might want to consider here as well is, if you currently have a Facebook page, adding a careers tab to that. 'Cause sometimes that's easier. You've already got an audience built up. You've already got maybe a team of people working on it. So don't try to recreate the wheel if necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and create this official page. Um, and it will kind of prompt me there. So they'll want you to have a picture, because that's just, I mean, it's not really appealing if you don't have a picture. So I'm just gonna put Buck Williams up there because Buck Williams is a really cool dude. Um, and so they want some information about the page. So as far as the founding, 2010, man, that's this here, and then just some information about the website there. So the website, what your company is about, what your mission, your products, that sort of thing. So I'm just going to save that because I'm not going to add a bunch of that stuff. So um, let's see, get started. You can set up your mobile phone so that you can upload photos or post status updates from it or send text messages to do that. And you can also connect it to your Twitter account. So we can connect it that way, just by linking it to Twitter. So I will just take ours, we'll connect it to Twitter, and I'm still logged in under our. Let's see here if I can't get it going here. All right, it's not working, but that's how you link it up, and then once you're all set to go, um, you'll basically, you can check out all of the different settings here as far as the info, discussions, that sort of thing. Once you're ready to go, go to edit page here, um, and basically make sure everything is set up here all right. So if you want any different settings as far as that's concerned, otherwise, these are things you can discuss and whatever works for your organization you'll want to do here. But for the most part, you could just get started by doing that. So we'll just go here. Um, we'll click on like so that I've liked that, and we'll post the status update. So we're hiring. Um, Check out our careers. Um, and if you had like a video to post, like if you have a YouTube video or a link to your careers website, let's say, I'm just going to put a link to my website because it's cool. But the nice thing is that it shows up. It gives you different thumbnails, that sort of thing. I'm going to put Bill Kudik from HR Executive and the HR Tech Conference there. So you could put all that stuff there. You could edit this text if you want to, and then share it. It's kind of just like updating your own, um, website, whatever. But you want to make a commitment to do this a couple times a week. So be able to go into the community, go into your page, figure out what's going on. Communicate what's going on with your company. Maybe add a tidbit about what you're doing. A lot of these things are covered in Chris Ferdinandi's ebook called Culture Convo. The types of things you want to talk about, the everything from how to communicate it to what tools to use. So I'd really recommend reading that book as well as you're getting started on starting your Facebook page.